Alright, let's jump into our first trade of the session. We are looking at the Australian dollar to Canadian dollar chart, and as you can see, our Pro Thunder V12 indicator has just given us a solid signal. I'm entering the trade now with a $100 investment. Notice how the indicator identifies the momentum before the candle even moves significantly. This is the key advantage of using a non-repaint system. It gives you the confidence to hold your position even when the market fluctuates slightly. We're halfway through the trade now, and the price action is respecting our entry point perfectly. The Pro Thunder V12 is designed to filter out the noise and focus on high probability setups like this one. Just a few more seconds left. And there we go. That is a clean, profitable start to our session. First trade is a total success. Moving straight into our second trade. Now we are analyzing the Australian dollar to Japanese yen pair. As you can see on the screen, the Pro Thunder V12 indicator has triggered another high probability signal. I'm placing the trade now. One of the most important things in binary trading is consistency, and that's exactly what this strategy provides. Even though the market shows some minor fluctuations, the non-repaint signal remains rock solid, giving us the clear direction we need. Observe the candle movement closely. The price is trending exactly as predicted by the V12 algorithm. Using this tool allows you to stay calm and disciplined, avoiding the common mistake of emotional trading. We are approaching the final few seconds of this session. The momentum is strongly in our favor, and there it is. Another perfect execution and a second consecutive win for us. The strategy is performing flawlessly today. Time for our third trade of the session. We are switching things up and looking at a new pair to demonstrate how versatile the Pro Thunder V12 really is. A fresh signal has just appeared, and I'm jumping in immediately. At this stage, many traders start to get overconfident or nervous, but when you have a reliable indicator, you simply follow the rules. Notice the precise entry point suggested by the system. We are focusing on high probability zones where the market volume is supporting our direction. As we watch this candle develop, you can see the clear gap between our entry and the current price. This is what we call a buffer zone, and it's a hallmark of a strong V12 signal. No matter how the market moves in these middle seconds, the trend remains clear. We are entering the home stretch now. The countdown is on. And boom, another massive win. That is 3 out of 3 trades successful, proving the power of a disciplined approach and the right tools. Alright, it's time for our fourth and final trade of the session. We have had a perfect run so far, and the Pro Thunder V12 indicator has just given us one last clear signal to wrap things up. I'm entering the trade now. Success in binary trading isn't about luck. It's about having a reliable system and the discipline to follow it. Even as the market volume shifts towards the end of our session, notice how the V12 signal remains steady and non-repainting. We are halfway through the final trade, and the price action is respecting our strategy beautifully. This 4-trade winning streak is a clear example of how you can maximize your profits on pocket option using our tools. We are approaching the final countdown. And there it is, a clean sweep, 4 out of 4 wins today. If you're ready to start trading with this kind of precision, you can find the Pro Thunder V12 indicator link in the description or visit our website. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join our community. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading.
Audio Jungle.